right, here we go again. Hope everybody had a great 4th of July weekend. We're going to get out here on the Chevy again, start putting this grill and headlights in. Should be a pretty simple, straightforward installation. So basically all we got to do is pop out these little things here, little plugs, and there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 8 of them. But unfortunately it looks like somebody took it out before and did not put them all back in. So I've only got to take out 2, 3, lucky me. New headlights, new grill, and here's the old one. Let's get to it. There's that piece out of the way. So next thing we need to do is take this screw across the front of the grill off. They're 10 millimeters. And there's some clips down in here. Okay, so once you get the 10 millimeters out, you got a clip right there. You got clips right here at the bottom of the grill in the front. And you got those on each side that you'll have to pop out, and then the grill should slide right off. Okay, so now we've got the grill out. What we'll probably do is clean that up a little bit before we put the new one on. But take the headlights out, you got 2 bolts here. And then I think there is one. We got one we got to loosen up, that's right there. And the headlights slide out. All right, y'all. So we got the grill and the headlights out. Got it cleaned up a little bit. Some of those hard to reach spots that may or may not be seen after it's all put together, but might as well get it out of the way while you can get to it. So let's go over here. These are the new headlights. Just some cheap eBay smoked out headlights. Not going to go too expensive on this front end, because as we progress with this project, there's a chance we're going to do like a front end conversion or something. Just depends on how it looks when it's all said and done. It's for a later project down the road though. We just want to get it looking decent and fix all the little odd and end spots that has been neglected for, from what I see, a pretty good while. So let's get at it. Okay, one thing to remember when you're doing at least this type of aftermarket grill is before you put it in, you're gonna have to take these little tabs off the factory grill and put them on your aftermarket grill. So that way they snap back into these slots to hold the bottom part of the grill in. And there she is. So what do you guys think about the grill? One thing that I found with these Chevys is unless you're going off-road style, there's not too many grill options. And I like this one because it was painted black. It wasn't the textured black look. And because it doesn't have the center, anything to cover up the center area where the factory grill was at, we're going to take those brackets and paint them so that you won't see them as much. But overall, there it is. little part down. So that's it for this video. It's hotter than two hells out here, so it's time to go in the house. Air conditioning, Mountain Dew. Catch y'all on the next one.